in your folders. Complete folder, keep it in your folders. Oh, you have performer and dispatcher as well in this? Surprised, why am I not seeing it? Checked. Okay. So where do you have the dispatcher and performer? Can you please go back once? Can you please go back?
Okay.
Let me just take it. Calculator fruit project. From where did you get this? Did you did you export this one?
No, no, no. This is Adarsh project, the Adarsh folder.
That's correct. But did you unzip this one?
No, 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 no. I think he already unzipped it.
But why am I not able to see that in the? Okay, I'm not in the main branch. That's the problem. Got it.
There are dispatcher and performer are separate.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, fine. So you start the project, you execute the project, and write the notes for the project. Let's see how this will go. Maybe we'll take this time. That's fine. We will be able to complete it within a day or two, the project. But all I want you to do is don't go with dispatcher and performer. Go with the first one, RE framework full project. Open that. Copy that and keep it in your folders. And can you please make a commit pull request after you copied the details?
Okay.
Copy, paste in your folders. Yeah. Make a commit, please. I need to get every commit or every pull request immediately. And start working from your projects, like your folders only.
Okay.
Look, guys, everyone can talk. Don't be silent.
Okay.
What happened? Why are you going back? Did you commit? Did you make the changes?
Yeah, I'm able to add it into the folder and I can be able to view it in my repository.
Make a pull request, please. Done.
Yeah, done.
Okay, I'm approving the changes. What about others? I didn't see a pull request yet. Have you sent a pull request?
Yes, I have just sent it now.
Let me see it again, refreshing it. No, I don't see a pull request. I will also get a notification.
Okay.
Last pull request is, I don't see it.
Okay, let me check once again.
Yeah. Right, proper names, buddy. What is this fruit key? Kirtan. Just mention that you copied and committed. Okay. So open code from your local machine, like from your folder, open the code. And let me know if you are able to run it.
Yeah, I think you have approved it.
You did not click a create pull request.
Yeah, I done it earlier.
If the pull request is already merged, then it will show you that no more changes.
Yeah, I have create pull request now.
Got it.
Okay.
Items pull request, I got it. What about others? So I can open main. Start the main and write the documentation for this.
Okay.
I got one pull request from Dev. Others imported others. That's from Sanket. Approve Sanket. Dev Singh. Hey, I don't see any changes.
Hello? Yeah, Bajrang.
Yeah, I see only first GitHub doc and I see metadata change. That's it. Where is the folder copied in your folder, buddy? Devender Singh, you need to have your own fruits project in your
Yeah,
folder.
actually, this folder was showing into that GitHub desktop. So that's why I commit to man. I don't know why it was showing changed files. So I need to place my folder inside the.
Share your screen.
Let me. Actually, others and Sanket folder was showing there on this part.
Yeah. So you have, what is it? Go to your local ones. Show me your folder. Yeah. Devan Singh. Yeah, where is the code in your machine? Go back to others folder.
Let me copy.
Why are you doing that? Go to RP GitHub. Give me the access.
RP.
GitHub, this one. Let's go to this one. Others code query. Frame of group project. Yeah, that's it. And go to Devender. This is what I've asked you to do. What are you trying to do? No, commit the change. Commit and make a pull request, please.
And summary is also required.
Yeah, you just need to add summary, right? Sanket, you can share your screen again. What are new changes? If you are not giving correct commit names, then I'm not going to approve from next time.
So what happened?
Yes. New commit. So what's there in the commit? So you need to give proper definition and you need to clearly mention what's changed. Initialize new project. Okay, so that's what have happened. Yeah. So did you start the project, Sanket?
No, just now I imported. Just now it got approved. I'm doing now. I opened that this one.
Yeah, run it.
Yeah, cannot create
Creating
unknown.
custom space, unknowns. Check and upload the packages, update the packages, manage packages and update. There is web activity that's missing. HTTP web. So you need to use UiPath.web activities. Go to manage packages and add packages. UiPath.web. So for working with UiPath, like web activities, like API activities, you need UiPath.web activities. Web.
Web API.
Yes. Okay, this is the task that will happen for everyone. I approved Kishan's pull request. Yeah, can you run now? Okay, so testing activities are throwing error. Can you just remove the testing folder completely?
Okay.
Just delete it. Tests, TSTS folder. Delete that one.
Folder only. Yeah.
Now try. Okay, highest count auto saved. You can delete that one as well.
This one. Highest count integrity.
Yeah. Delete. Yeah. Next, there is also one more file, one more change. Why are you just running it?
Check integrity. Check
URL was not supplied. Navin has given me something. What are you giving me, Navin? Okay, approved. Question merge.
fruit name. What name to give?
Something. Other than Apple will not give anything else.
A for apple, nah?
Yes. that's a common practice. Whenever I like this question, I asked it from multiple members. Everyone started with Apple only. Is this your Edge browser or Chrome?
It is Edge. Like they merged now, I believe. It is Edge.
Okay. So what's happening?
No, it's loading still. It's
Okay.
yeah. No.
So all I want is I want you to backtrack the code and tell me what's there in the code. We have 10 more minutes or 20 more minutes. You still will be able to do it. And now understand why there is a difficulty or why there will be difficulties if you don't write properly the comments, if you don't write descriptive items, so all these things. So whatever you have typed came in here. Okay. What did it do? Yeah, please go on. this extracting is navigating. So can you guys together create a flowchart now? Understand the code and create a flowchart now. How many of you were able to execute this one?
I'm getting some errors.
Did you delete tests folder?
Which folder?
Tests.
Test. Yeah, I deleted.
See what are the errors. Did you add UiPath web activities package?
Yeah, I added it.
What
And
are
I
the
think so you need to
errors?
remove to the XML file also, that XMLs.
Error XMLs.
So should I remove all these errors? It is showing XML errors.
You can remove because the code is already there. If you want to add it back, you can just copy the file alone. That's fine. So no one knows what's happening in the code, right? This is just the starting, buddy. If you are going for a job, then these like this breaths will come like every 2 minutes. Stay cool and see the program and understand. What are 6, 7, and 8? Sanket?
I guess so, Vajrang. Yeah.
What is 6, 7, and 8?
I don't know. I need to check the code.
That's fine. Click on OK. It's opening something again.
Yes, I need to remove that SSD and I need to put very usefully. Okay.
Ethan, can you share your screen?
I was just now I deleted a folder again.
Yeah, share your screen. By this project, we will come to know how much you are able to understand UiPath and start working on projects.
No, I'm getting these 7 errors.
Open that, double click on it. Value was not supplied. What value was not supplied?
I'm
Go
double.
to process, framework and process. Go to project main, scroll down, go to process, transaction. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, so what's not given? Error in validations. Go to analyze project and hit on validations, check for validations. On the top, you have analyze file, right? Yeah, validate file or analyze project, validate project. Can use anything to get errors. There are no errors in this file. Validate project completely. Framework settings, there are no inputs that are given. Identify the errors. Value for required activity value is not supplied. What's not supplied? Scroll down. Scroll down and see there are a few more items. Just check them. Kishan, what about you?
I'm doing, but I'm not getting like after creating pull request. I'm not able to find that folder in my PC. That only I'm checking.
Those test and the .xml file, but after that also I'm getting some validation errors saying that the test file is not available like that.
So here are the details. One arm, open that and you can see the required items that's not given. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, for each row in data table, open that. Yeah, so there is some error in this. Check what's the error. Okay, Kedar? Yeah, Kishan, you can share the screen. Kishan, what are you trying to do? Kishan, unmute and talk.
Okay. After creating the pull request, I'm searching where the file is there.
GitHub desktop.
Desktop. Okay.
GitHub desktop application. GitHub desktop application. Then you can see Open and Explorer. Try that. Show in Explorer.
Okay.
Yeah, now find it's in documents, GitHub, API development interface.
And it is in the documents folder. Okay.
Search for your folder.
Oh, this is the file. Okay. Now I can start.
But till now you haven't started or what?
No, I'm searching for the folder only, getting how where it is like that.
Naveen, take the screen please. The last will also go with Damodar. Damodar, Devendra. Is it Devendra or Damodar?
Devendra. Yeah.
Devendra. Okay, sorry. Yes. Devendra, you can share the screen. If Naveen is not sharing, you can share the screen.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to share. Yeah, it's stuck on the installing packages for a long time. We're taking too much time on this page.
Okay, fine. Let it install and see. You are going to see all the issues and how we as a developers will struggle to understand others' code and how we will work on the code. You will be able to understand everything from out of this project. Okay. Naveen, what about you? You are silent buddy from the past
Okay.
few minutes. Naveen? Naveen, please connect with your audio turned on. I'm removing you from the meeting. Okay. So we have last 4 minutes. How many of you were able to do it? Sanket, were you able to understand the process?
Vajrang, I'm not able to find what is this error.
Share your screen, buddy. No problem.
Yeah.
Vajrang, for me to times the query run, like I give an output for one for mango, one for apple.
But what is it doing?
Like it is taking the it is opening that website and it clicking on apple, whatever the name giving. After that, it is taking integrants from there. So it will pasting that one as if I can see in the right line.
Okay, so it's picking up ingredients.
Yeah.
Like, okay, now find the logic of if there are. So it's not writing all the ingredients for all the items. So that's the catch over here. It's writing only for few. You need to understand the logic. Okay.
Yeah. As of now, I found that those much only like in this
Okay.
time.
Now, see, everyone are working at a single goal to complete this project. It will not be easy task. It will be tough. That's accepted. So here, process is having issues. So what's the issue that you need to take? See,
Yeah, it is showing value was not supplied.
yeah, that's correct. So which value is not supplied?
Here one value is there in variables.
Okay, identify, no problem. Go back to process.
No, item to string is then I think so. We need to give value for item. Item is there. Value means there only they assign value to items.
Don't just
Assign.
go for assumptions. Don't just go for assumptions. Start with process. Start from the main.
Yeah.
Open sequence. That sequence there is an error. Scroll down and find the error. So when Sanket is able to do, others also should be able to do. Why you are not able to do?
Yeah, I was in this table only for each row in data table. Yeah.
So see the errors, buddy. That's not the error. At the bottom, there is some error. Like the child items have error. Value required for it. Go to the properties. No, go to that for each or whatever it is. Yeah, value required is not supplied. What is that value? Just go back and see. See that for loop.
Yeah.
Where you have the error. Yeah, for each extract data row. So what's not coming in? So what is the data table? What is the condition over there? Just see the condition. Condition. Just
Yeah.
see with the condition. Properties, not that one, buddy.
Okay.
Properties.
Okay.
See what is the condition?
Condition.
Boolean value.
Yeah.
Just hover on the condition. You can see what is it? Okay, this executes as long as it is true. So that's not mandatory.
Okay.
Yeah. Maximum iterations. loop counter. So which is required? I think a condition is required. Give true in the condition TRUE.
Okay.
Yes. Save it. Okay, see, one more thing that you can do, click on for each row in data table. If the error is cleared out, you will not see this red mark. Press
Yeah.
F1. Press F1.
One second.
F1. Okay. So in this documentation, you will be able to see what is what.
Okay.
Like what is common, what is output, scroll down. Example of using for each. So if you see there is condition, that's something that is not available in the previous versions.
Okay.
So you need to downgrade the packages. Go to manage packages and downgrade the packages. Okay, so you are seeing everything as previews. Don't go for previews. Previews will not be stable.
Okay. So what should I do here?
Just click on that. On the right side, you will see the properties.
Here.
Yeah, click on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 11.6, right? Just change it to 11.15.2. 1.15.3. Yeah. Update. Change it like that for everything.
Okay.
So previews, if you are going and adding them, then only you will be able to see it. Like others will not. It is not a stable release version.
Okay.
There will be many errors in it. Okay. So now, are you able to understand what are
Yeah.
the issues that we are getting when we are using the existing projects? The first one the first one is still UI automation. Kishan, you're saying something? Go ahead.
Yes, only four project dependencies, right? Like four
Yes.
packages. Like I am getting some missing activity, like that kind of error. So that is
Find
why.
out. You need to add UiPath.web activities.
Okay.
Okay, I'm stopping the recording and we'll stop the session also for today. But understand that this is an API project and you are asked to work on a existing project. First thing, even before you understand it, at least make sure that the project executes. Okay, understand and see why the project is not executing. Errors can come because of the packages only, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.